Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Mashed potato is generally considered as a side dish, but today's recipe is a little different. It contains most of the important nutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, veggies, and fats that could be served alone as a meal. Let's take a look at this easy recipe. Peel and wash 2.5 pounds of russet potatoes. Place the potatoes in a steamer and steam for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, hard boil 4 eggs. Place the eggs in a pot covered by 1 inch of cold water. Bring it to a boil over medium heat instead of high heat to prevent the eggs from cracking. Then simmer for another 10 minutes. While waiting for the eggs, let's prepare the veggies. Grate 1 large carrot. Finely dice up the celery so to evenly distribute its taste and crunchiness in every bite. When the eggs are done, cool them with cold water. Crack the eggs on a flat, hard surface. Roll in gently in your palm to loosen the shell. You can then easily peel off the shell. Cut the egg into quarters. Slice 2 moon-shaped pieces from the center. Save them for garnish. Then dice up the rest. The potato is done when it can be easily pierced through with a sharp object. Transfer the potatoes to another pot and warm it over low heat. Use the hand masher. Break out the potatoes. Cut up 6 tablespoons of room temperature butter into small cubes. Add in half at a time to allow the butter to melt and distribute evenly over the potatoes. Add the carrot and celery. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 3 heaping tablespoons of marinade. Add in 1 cup of milk a little bit at a time. No need to warm the milk because the pot is still on low heat. Mix well. Add in the diced eggs. Gently fold the eggs in the potatoes. Transfer everything to a bowl. Garnish with the moon-shaped egg pieces. Add in some bacon bits if you like crunchiness. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.